Morena koutou. Well, it's 7 a.m. on a Saturday morning and we're just heading out to the hills, me and the kids. Just packing up the last of the gear because we're going hunting. We're going to try and get a deer or a pig maybe if we get a chance. But come along for a ride, that's us. Full flight down the bank, eh? Kia ora koutou. Kai te haere au ki te opuhau awa, mā runga i te hoiho. Ko Harry te ingoa o tēnei hoiho. And I'm just heading to the opuhau to put in some kangapiro. So a kangapiro is rotten corn or fermented corn. And I've sort of planted these seeds and grown these corn in my mara over the last 2 or 3 months over summer, and because I've had too much I'm going to end up having excess. So what I'm going to do with that excess is I'm going to kangapiro it, ferment it for later. So we're just heading there now. My backpack is full of corn. This corn will stay here for the next couple of months.